A question that comes up quite frequently is how to work on the flat pattern of the sheet metal component. So how to come in and flatten this out and then modify this. Because oftentimes a customer will try to create an extruded cut directly in the flat pattern, and then it'll fail or it won't apply to the features. That's because you can't apply features directly to the flat pattern that are going to apply within the part itself. So the way to do that is use the unfold feature and the fold feature. And for this we just have to select a fixed face, and then we can select out bends and unfold them. And we can unfold as many or as little of these bends as we want, or as few of these bends as we want. Or you have the option of collecting all bends, and that's going to populate any of the bends that it sees and allow you to unfold that. Then you can come in and create a cut across multiple faces. And then we can come back in and fold this part back up. Once again, either by individual bend or by choosing that collect all bends option. So you can see that this cut that you would have created in the flat before bending the part can be easily created using the unfold and fold as opposed to the flatten option. And this obviously produces a significantly different result than if I were to create a slot on a face with the part bent up and then create an extrusion.